This is a 2019 Sea Ray. The model is a 270 SDX. It's powered by a MarineMax 6.2 300 horsepower coupled to a MarineMax Bravo 3 outdrive. Got the submersible swim platform. As you can see, it has the tower, the Simrad dashboard system. This will give us a shot from the other side of the boat so you can judge the color better in the video. 2019 Sea Ray 270 SDX MarineMax 6.2 300 horsepower. The 270 SDX, it's got the 6.2 MarineMax 300 horsepower with a Bravo 3 outdrive. See, it has your tower. There are tower speakers. This is Simrad display. Head compartment. The vacuum flush head, cabin port light, stainless steel sink, pressure water system.